Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, as we wrap up the week here, not a whole lot changed. We got a bit more confirmation that this red line here, which I've talked about in past videos, is definitely going to be a stubborn area that is going to pertain going into next week. But that level here around 55.50 was a level of resistance I talked about in previous videos. In case for those of you watching, maybe this is the first video ever you've watched, but I've talked about that red line before, and you can see that this morning price made a valiant effort. Actually did slightly get up above that line, but that didn't last, and then, back down the price went. So while I'm not saying that 55.50 can never be broken, I'm just saying, apparently the price is really going to have to bring it to A game, because that's going to be a key level. And it's going to be a level that just that many more people are watching, which is always important and helpful, because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. So while nothing's guaranteed, if the price were to come up there and get the break up through it, that break could create some good, solid upside buying pressure. So again, nothing's guaranteed, but certainly, a more than plausible, thought to have in regards to that area up there. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still got the bottom of the channel down there at $50.50. And I mean, the price wasn't anywhere even close to testing that. So in that regard, good to see. But also in the very near term, you can see the price is doing a fantastic job of just cruising up above that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. So while I wouldn't call that some sort of like requirement where, the price has to stay above that purple line or else it's ruined, I'm not going to take it that far. But yeah, I mean, if the price can continue to stay up above it like it's been doing, I mean, that would make the chart look that much more stronger. But overall, headed into next week, those are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.